Meet Australia's newest bird of the year, the Tawny Frogmouth. These masters of disguise can blend perfectly into tree bark. They might look like owls, but they're actually closer to nightjars and oilbirds, with big heads and wide mouths made for catching insects midair. During the day, they perch completely still, mimicking tree branches so well, you'd walk right past one without noticing. After years of coming in second, the Tawny Frogmouth has finally claimed the title of Australia's 2025 Bird of the Year.